Today we're going to learn how to play the major scale with just 3 basic chords. And the whole chord family is the first chord, the third, fourth chord, and the fifth chord. The first chord, the third chord, fourth chord, and the fifth chord. Again, if you are with software notations, you'd have first chord as Do, second chord as Re, third chord as Mi, fourth note or chord as Fa, fifth note or chord as So, like that, La, and C is what? Yeah, seventh, then back to 1 or 8. So what we would have, the first chord, let's go straight to the chord and later on we'll break it down. The first chord, normally everyone would play the first chord as this if you're a beginner, and your fourth chord as this, and the fifth chord as this. And now we're going to play the first chord as this. Do 1 over 3, 5, 1. Then second one, Re over So again. Do, Re, which is J, B, and D. The first one, Do, E, J, and C, J, B, and C. You have J, C, and E. Fa, you have A, C, and F. You have C, E, and J. You have C, F, and A. You have D, J, and B. You have E, J, and C. You descend, you have that's what you would actually need basically to play all the major chords, all the major scale were just, all the notes of the major scale were just 3 chords. Why is this chord, why are these 3 chords? Let me break it down. The first chord we are using is this. The next chord we are using is this. That's F major, and the last one is G major. First chord, C major, F major, then G major. Now, C major alone gives you this. This comes here. That's an inversion. We would focus more on, go deep into inversions later. But if you already understand inversions, you know what I'm talking about. So, inversion basically is just moving your notes around. So, this one, if there's an equal to sign, this one will cross it. Now, this becomes your first inversion. This is your root. This is your first inversion. Now this one crosses, this is E. It crosses the equal to sign, which is this, comes here. Now you still have your C major, but now this is the second inversion. Then this one crosses over and comes here. Then the roots. So you have this, then you have this, then you have this, then you have this. Like that. That's the inversion. So let's go back to the lesson. You'd have the first chord, which is C major, then the second chord, Re, which is G major on the right, Mi, that's the third note, which is back to C major, Fa, which is the fourth note, which is back to F major, so which is back to C major, F major over the sixth, J major over the 7th, C major over the first. Again, C major over the first, G major over the second, C major again over the third, F major over the fourth, C major again over the fifth, F major over the sixth, G major over the seventh, and back to C major. So you have again. That's the major scale with just 3 basic chords. Just learn the inversions. This chord, that's the G, F major. You have an inversion of this. That is this, which stands for F. And you still have an inversion of this chord as this. When it comes to the G, you have the roots, you have the first, and you have the second. And it comes back to. So those are the chords. And should you have any song in mind, like Joy to the World, you have Joy to the world, the Lord is come, you have you see, with that chord, if you have Mary had a little one, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, you have those basic chords. When you have a local song like a Ghanaian song like Dana say, you have again 1, 1, 3, 5, 4, 3. You get it? So if you have any song at all, any song at all, you have, you could play any melody line, you have anything. So that's in C major. That's how it goes. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.